Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Thursday. Today is your last official day for your learning packets of second grade. It has been a very different end of our school year, one that I had never imagined, and how I wish it could have been different. I miss each of you so much, and it wasn't the same. And I hope that you still have had some great learning, that you've had some good times at home, that you've been able to reconnect with your families, and that just you have still been able to see God's faithfulness through this. So, see and be seen. Remember, our deep hope is to identify, imitate, and celebrate Christ's characteristics together. I want to say happy birthday to Summer. May 23 is her birthday. And Summer, I hope you have a fantastic birthday. Hope it is full of wonderful things, and that you just can see God's faithfulness and God's blessings on your life at the end of your second grade year. Today for social studies, as a final thing about the Netherlands. The Netherlands is surrounded by a lot of water and has lots of canals and dikes. If you would like, go outside with a bucket of water and find some dirt or sand to make canals and dikes. Normally we do this at school. We go out to the playground. We go in the mulch and go in the pebbles and all of that, and we make canals. And you practice building bridges and dikes and all of these things. But since we're not here, it's a great thing to do at home. And it looks like today should be a beautiful day. So I hope that you have a chance to go and do that. Today, reading, you're going to reread the Treasure Story Babu's Song and complete worksheet page 248. So use the words from the box to complete the story. Make sure it makes sense. Writing today, you're going to have a hand at shape poems. So yesterday you took a look at examples of shape poems. Maybe you tried one or two, and now you get to do a shape poem. So you could either, if you were doing like a balloon, you could draw the outline of a balloon and then write all of your words for your balloon poem around it, or you could just start freehanding it and writing your words as you create it. It's completely up to you. Grammar worksheet page 150. You have to decide if the underlined words are synonyms or if they are antonyms. On the bottom, write a sentence, use a synonym for happy, and then write a sentence, use an antonym for noisy. And finally, Bible. You are going to do your final Bible memory verse. You can either fill in the blank or send me a video. I'd love to see you. You're going to read Revelations 21 and 22. It's about the new creation. And think about these questions, or this question and these statements. What will the new creation be like? There will be no more death, mourning, crying, or pain. And when Jesus returns, he will usher in a new heaven and a new earth with no more sickness, no more sin or sadness. So I hope that you just enjoy learning about Revelation 21 and 22. Finally, our faith formation reflection. This is normally something that we would do in school, but since we are not here, you're going to be doing this at home. This is something that will go into your folder and it will travel with you all the way through 8th grade. So I want to look at those questions with you. All right, so you have 4 questions that you are going to do today. Question 1. Our classroom deep hope is to identify, imitate, and celebrate Christ's characteristics together. Throughout the year, what through line have you lived out and how? Okay, so 2 parts. Remember, full sentences. We are imitators of Christ. What does it mean to imitate someone? And how are you an imitator of Christ? So 2 parts. To imitate means, and then I'm an imitator of Christ by. Number 3, our Bible stories this year are about God's promises. What promises of God comfort you, and how? How do those things comfort you? The final thing is write about a talent that God has given you. How do you use it to serve others? So a little bit of thinking about our year in 2nd grade and where you are with your relationship with Christ. Where are you in these different parts of your life? Hope you have a great day of learning.